Hey guys, Tony here. So I did want to do a quick update on GameStop. We did close out fully after hours at 281.27. It seems, well, we can roughly say 281, right? But still holding my shares, up 5,900 bucks, and I'm still gonna be holding. I still think the run for GameStop hasn't even started yet. I do think the run is gonna be either late this week or early next week. But I am gonna keep 282. But I'm basically still holding right now. I do think that GameStop will more than likely have some sort of a bigger trigger for the stock to actually run on the higher side. And like I said, I do think that GameStop we already touched 283, and the crazy part is we touched 283 and immediately kind of bounced down towards the bottom side, right? I think it was back here like 9:30 in the morning. I think we hit 283, a little bit higher, 285, and then just completely bounced down. So I thought I'm like, oh, that's like a perfect resistance sell off right there. But we did beat it at around 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and then again right now we are at 282. But I think, like I said, still think GameStop has an insane amount of run to basically that's basically left. And I will be holding this. The only time that I'm actually going to sell anything, I'll probably only sell like 10 shares at like $1,000 if we actually hit that. But I think for right now, I'm just holding, not really, doing too much with the stock. And I will be releasing another AMC video, probably a BlackBerry video, and then I don't know what else to like really look at right now. Everybody's just going crazy because today was like one of the craziest fucking days of anything for like any trading day. Just looking at AMC and stuff, absolutely nuts, man.